What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're currently monitoring two severe thunderstorms here in North Alabama. We got one over here in Scottsboro, Hollywood, Pensacola, Dutton section. We got another one up here in High Top, Baileytown, Larkin, James D. Martin Skyline Wildlife Management. That one expires in 2 minutes. This one expires in 17 minutes. This one has a possibility of hail and damaging winds of 60 miles an hour. Got a couple of more storms all around through Alabama. Special weather statement down here. Cleveland Mills, Alabama, Spot, Jericho, Alder. More towards the Gulf Coast down here. Erin is now a Category 1 hurricane. She's expected to be a Category 4. When she makes that curve there off the coast of Carolinas, there is a possibility. Let me repeat that. There is a possibility she could go this way and make landfall in the U.S. Like I said, if you live along this coast right here, all the way around through there, you live around the coast, right through here where I highlighted in white, pay close attention to the system because it can change at any moment. Alright, I'm going to give y'all the latest on Hurricane Erin. Heavy rainfall tonight through Sunday across the northern Leeward Islands and the Virgin Islands in Puerto Rico may lead to isolated and locally considerable flash and urban flooding along with landslides and mudslides. Tropical storm conditions are possible. Portions of northward Leeward Islands where tropical storm watches are in effect beginning Saturday. Gusts to tropical storm force or winds possible. While the threat of impacts in the Bahamas and along the east coast of the United States appears gradually decreasing, there will be a significant risk of dangerous surf and rip conditions along the western Atlantic beaches next week. Interests in Bermuda should continue to monitor the progress of Erin since there is still a risk of strong winds and heavy rainfall. Now we're going to check the GFS weather model. Remember, this is not a forecast, just a prediction. There she comes right there. She go back to sea. And then here comes something. August 24th, there's something rolling up through the waters up through here. For further updates on this matter, make sure to like, subscribe, share this video out. I'll see y'all on the next one.